बड़ा कदम है।
The PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital, a mega dream project of ERD Foundation Guwahati and its founder chairman Mahbubul Haque, has seen the beginning of implementation with the grand foundation laying ceremony held today at the proposed medical college ground at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. The foundation was laid by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in the presence of Rhonda Vetere, global leader from USA, in the presence of former Meghalaya Governor R.S. Moshari, Home and Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy and other distinguished guests. Talking to media persons, Vetere stated that she is very happy to be the global ambassador of Ustm. She will contribute towards developing an overall integrated communication strategy through internationalization to promote and enhance visibility of university and its mission globally. Chief Minister in his address said that he is happy that the university is helping the people to get jobs and transform their lives through education, whereas the Chancellor M. Hague said that one of the main features of the medical college and hospital is a 200-bedded super specialty hospital with all kinds of technological facilities with cutting-edge research.
This university and this college has transformed the lives of thousands and thousands of people. We don't realize it. You come here as a normal person and you study here and you go back, but you don't realize the difference it is making in people's lives. The number of students that have passed out of here and are now doing great jobs in different places.
I come across a lot of peers that want to invest, and also we're all about education. I'm also about mental health and awareness. I just rode a bike across America.
The Trinamool Congress TMC candidate